Greetings.
Mata. Matthias International. You are welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Matthias, this is the 5th cake of palm wine you have brought to this compound today. Is it not getting much?
Nai, let me break your heart.
What is?
This is just the beginning. Yes, sir. I have paid for all the palm trees in this village. So I will keep bringing palm wine here until I fill all the cakes in this house. You know why? Because I can't wait to set my eyes on my wife.
Matthias, you don't cease to amaze me. See, I am heading to my main former's place to know why she has not come, because I paid her. I have not heard from her or seen her since today.
No, you just made a very big mistake. In fact, mistake of the year.
Can you say so?
How could you? You paid someone to cook for my wife.
No, because
are you not aware?
She must eat if she comes back.
Nah, I am the best cook around here.
Don't say this.
I'm serious. Nah, I wouldn't let my wife to eat anything that will purge her. I'm the best cook around here.
Chalo. You mean you are a very good cook?
Cooking is my hobby. I struggle with my life. I can cook for Africa.
Mata, you mean you can do it?
You know what? Just show me the food items. Show me the kitchen. That's all.
Take the cake of my wife to the backyard. Then I'll show you the kitchen at the same time.
Nah, you're going. Mata.
I
can't wait to see my wife.
Mata, Thank you for welcoming my beautiful daughter back to her own motherland. Yes, you're welcome.
Oh my God, I can't even contain my joy. It's wonderful.
Yeah.
I'm so happy. Oh, you guys are great. Thank you very much for the warm reception. I'm grateful. I appreciate it. Thank you very much. God bless you guys. I love you all. Thank you.
In case any of you who did not hear what see, some of these people here are not guys. Some are men. Some are even married with 3 kids.
Come on.
Calling them guys, I don't know. So what she said is that she's happy that Ibokwa cannot contain her happy. Is that not true? So everybody, she said, what is the last one you said?
Come on.
Oh, come on. She said, come on.
Good. I must say that I am overwhelmed. I am the happiest man on earth today. That my beautiful daughter, who went abroad and studied and became the first graduate in this village, came back healthy and happy. So, you deserve more than what we are giving to you. You deserve more than this. I am saying that you are warmly welcomed. Thank you and God bless you.
I'm so happy to see Alichi back again. You know what? You people should wait. Let me get food and drinks.
Asimundu nkankan. Asimundu milindu azu. Onyangu ni ibi efura. Anga na-eje na abata. Etu ime da nwa m si wee jee bata buru ifeọma bata ọ ya dụrụ na anyị niile mma. Asị m ndụ ndụ bụ okoye. Asị m ndụ ndị niile bịara gbara anyị gburugburu. Anyị soro Zubby n'igwe n'ụlọ ọfụ n'ụlọ ohio.
He said, he said, Baba, he said, hey, I specially prepared this food myself.
Thank you very much.
Just to give my mom. You get it. You're welcome. Hey, wash your hands, bro.
should join me as
well. No.
It's meant for you and you alone. Enjoy your meal.
I've missed that. I've not taken this for how many years now?
No. How is playing? I don't know.
Water! Give me water! Drink water! Water!
What is it? Water! You want water? What is it? Water!
Hi, Matthias has killed me. Matthias has killed me. Matthias, what has come over you? How can you go to your in-laws' house and start to cook for your supposed wife? Don't you know that you're a man? Are you not ashamed?
Mama, that's not the point. It shouldn't be whether I'm supposed to cook for my wife to be or not. That's not the point. The point is that something is wrong somewhere. Because I prepared that meal myself. I made sure all the ingredients were on point. So I was shocked and surprised when I served the meal and all of a sudden there was too much pepper and salt in it.
Will you shut up? Shut up, trash. Shut up. So you are still looking for who to blame after you have ruined everything by yourself.
Mama, the point shouldn't be whether I'm supposed to prepare the food or not. The question is who did that to me. Besides, I was just trying to express how I feel for the love of my life. Is it a crime for a man to cook for the love of his life?
And if you don't take time, this quest of yours to impress Imelda will land you into serious trouble one day. See how you are behaving like a woman, just because of love. Matthias, what has come over you? What, for crying out loud? What is it?
So, Mama, because I'm a man, I shouldn't love. Because I'm a man, I shouldn't cook for my wife to be. Because of I'm a man, I shouldn't express how I feel.
Matthias, you come back here. Then no call it. Why not carry over the baton? No, do you think that never now? So I if I was saying no, it's sorry at dross, sorry at pants, or so 10 and 1. If I am man, imagine. Hi, I'm Hi.
Imelda, what are you saying about Matthias? How do you mean you are no more interested in him? Listen, a man who spent almost 90% of the money spent in paying your school fees abroad.
Listen, Dad. I'm grateful for what he did, okay? I'm grateful. I'm simply saying that he's not the right man for me.
I want to ask you a question. What wrong has that man done to you?
He didn't do anything wrong, Dad. But we can be together. I'm not in love with him. Besides that, we're not the same class. He's down here and I'm up here. So we can't be together. Okay? Dad, just give me some credit. How do you expect me, a Harvard graduate, to marry, settle for some local palm wine tapper in the village? Oh, come on, please. Come on.
Imelda, I am surprised that all these are coming out of your mouth. I can't believe it. God.
Papa, I overheard everything that you are saying. Very attentive. First, she said, give me some credit. She didn't even ask her which network. So, Papa, is it this one we're talking about now? Papa, we're not talking about a mechanic, a roadside mechanic, or a power tapper, or even a bicycle repair. We're talking about a rich man.
Big boy.
A very wealthy man. A man who does things, with hard currency.
Dollars. You're gonna pay Matthias in dollars.
So you are aware of all these wires, and you will never let me know. Listen, everybody. I don't want to hear about that man again in this house. Have I made myself clear? No one talks about that man again in this house. Else!
Leave Papa. If Papa say...
We to marry that nobody?
You don't have to worry yourself. If Papa say nobody talks about that man, we'll start writing the man. You know that? So we'll do that. If you say nobody talks about the man, we'll be writing the man. We'll be writing the man. You know that?
Harvard graduate like me settle for one local champ.
Yeah. Ooh, yeah. Imelda gini kameleki. Ijili weba wasemo bimo. Asimo gini kameleki. Wanyama. Love more. Love more. Love more. Gini kameleki. Wanyama. Ngotelegi buba isini chala ukebanya ngotelegi nke kama isini chala ukwakwa ngotelega maka wanyoma simgini kamelegi negodiyo kila burumuwe mwe pagali bakonye newe yuche amwatobi muwe na muzimamu ndabwa muwe sinambuze fulefu akama kozero nonyanua akama kozero nonyanua namabwa kakanua tieroko kakie gini kamelegie love more.
I can't wait for her to see this. It will be the most romantic moment of our lives. I can't wait to hear, yes, I will marry you. Yes, I will marry you. I will just faint. I will just faint for my love. I will faint for my love. I will faint for my love.
Asimo gini kamelegie, gini kamelegie. Chetakwa.
Matthias, you won't kill me. So this is what you plan to use to engage Imelda, an abroad graduate, bushmeat. Anyway, I have enough meat to eat today.
Night.
What can I do for you?
I'm here to apologize about what happened yesterday. It wasn't intentional. Please forgive me.
Matthias, you assured me that you know how to cook, only for you to ruin everything. What you did yesterday almost ended the life of my daughter. My only daughter for that matter.
Nai, Like I said before, I'm deeply sorry. It wasn't intentional. Please forgive me.
If not for one thing, I wouldn't have allowed you step your feet into this compound. But it's alright. I forgive you.
Thank you very much, Ini. Thank you very much.
It's alright.
So, how is she? I'm also here to check on her.
She's fine, but you cannot see her for now. Listen, she is sleeping. Why don't you go home? Then come back later if you wish to see her.
No, I'd rather wait for her.
I have told you, go home, come back later.
Nothing is more important than this. Let me wait for her. Hey. Imelda, my love. Hope you slept well. Baby, listen. I'm sorry, okay? I'm so sorry. I perfectly made that soup myself. I can't even explain what happened. I'm sure someone is behind it. Trust me, I'm so sorry. Forgive me. It will never happen again.
Blah, 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 blah. Listen, I don't have time for this load of crap. I'm here because my father said you wanted to see me, so what is it?
Imelda, is everything alright? It's me, oh. It's me, Matthias. It's me. Baby, come on. You've never talked to me like this before. What is going on?
Mother, I ain't got no time, okay? Whatever I want to say, out with it already. I have some place to go, please.
Hey. Alright. I'm here to take you out.
Sorry? Excuse you? Take me out? Me, Imelda. Sorry, with what? With that? Oh, please. Are you kidding me? Seriously? Take me? Oh, God.
Imelda, it's me, oh.
Seriously?
It's me, Matthias. It's me, oh.
Oh, please.
Matthias.
Greetings, Inai.
Did I hear you say you want to take my daughter out?
Yes, Inai. But I don't understand her anymore. I even have a surprise for her.
She will go out with you. But, Imelda, am I right? But she has to change for something nice. She'll go with you.
Hey, that's the smile I've been looking for.
I'll go with you.
Nai, are you sure all is well?
Of course. Everything is alright. She will go out with you. No problem.
This is not my Imelda, an American one. Nai, please tell me, are you sure all is well?
Matthias, she has gone to put something better. She will go out with you. Are you not? Have you not heard me?
Thank you. What kind of boy Squen? What kind of boy Squen? What kind of boy Squen on? I am very, very happy. I am very, very happy. You know, when the thing began, I was hearing the rhythm of the beat. It was entering. It was saturating. It was very, very fantastic. Very rhythmic. I was enjoying it. So I said to myself that, look, this our organic is going to be on the top. No evil, no witch, no wizard can bring us down. We're already there. In fact, I know there. So I must thank you very well, all of you. Each and every one of you for your effort, for your cooperation. Your assistance, you're putting one or two together to make this organic a resounding one. Look, let me tell you, I am so saturated. Thank you very much. You see, just yesterday, we had 20,000 naira in our purse. Until my sister came back from abroad and said to me, look, I am offering you people 100,000 naira. Thousand. She gave us 100,000 naira. Look, this is our organic. This year, is going to be the highest. We are going to stand on top. Nothing will bring us down. I am assuring you people here, this year, we are not only going to come out with our own best song, we are also going to drop our album. We are going to, in fact, we are there. You understand? Okay, no, Gwen. What's on? Egumeche, come no. Oh! Are.
Taking me into the bush. What are you up to?
Oh! I'm up to something you really like.
Whatever it is, just make it snappy, okay? I ain't got all day.
Pick. Trust me, you will like it. Eyes are closed.
Ew, shit! Don't talk to me. Don't even come to me.
Please. Imelda, listen, you have to believe me.
No.
Okay? You have to believe me. I can't possibly hurt you. You have to believe me.
Believe you? You proposed to me? Oh my God. I can't even say it with my mouth. You proposed to me with your own shit.
No, listen. I swear, what I left there was a bushmeat and a ring. I can't hurt you.
Oh God, leave me alone.
Okay.
You're telling me now that bushmeat suddenly turned to your own shit? Is that what you're telling me?
Alright. I can take you to where I bought that meat from. I can take you to the man that sold that meat to me just to prove to you I'm innocent. Please, leave me. I can't just hurt you.
Listen to me and listen very good. You Mr. Nobody. The next time you come this close to me, I will show you bad man. Oh God.
I said I'm sorry. What happened? Why did you come for the house today?
Were you not the one that asked me to go and spy on Matthias? I saw him this morning when I was coming to Riaza. So I followed him down to the bush and I saw where he was putting a ring inside a bushmeat that he want to use to engage your sister.
Yes. So what happened? What did you find out?
You don't trust me. I ruined it for him now. I inside the meat and I ate the meat.
Ibe, what nganga? You okay no?
But wait.
You okay no? See, I trusted you. That was why I gave you that assignment. You understand? I looked among all the Ogini boys. I picked you as my vice. I picked you as my right-hand man, even my left-hand man. You understand? I trusted you before I gave you that assignment. I knew you were going to deliver.
Where's my balance?
Okay, your money, your balance. Yeah, I counted it. I knew I was going to see you. You are my man. Take.
Akute, what is this?
I even counted it before coming.
Akute, no. This money is too small. It's not the money we bargained.
It's not the money?
Yes.
Okay, the other part of the money, as a matter of fact, I used it to settle your penalty. Because you know that if you don't come to rehearsal, there is a fine you will pay. So I used the part of the money to pay for the, for the failure.
But why? You asked me to spy on Matthias. Why am you taking money from the money we agreed on?
Was I not the one that asked you to go and spy on Matthias? Let me ask you, come to think of it. When I asked you to go and spy on Matthias, did I give you a date? Did I tell you to go there on our rehearsal day? Why did you have to go on our rehearsal day? Why didn't you go the other day? Yeah? And you know law. You were one of the people who made the law that if you miss rehearsal for any reason, you will pay for it. And now you're speaking as if you were not there. You were not among those who made the law. Let me tell you, take this money. Okay.
You give me my money, complete.
Aja, part of your money. Aja, after
After doing your assignment, you want to take my money. Yeah, come.
Ibekwe, take this money. Ibekwe, take this money. Take this money.
I'm not taking no.
Let me tell you,
money.
If this money follow me home, you will follow me and drink on it. Take this money. It's okay.
Where be Naga? Give me my money. My complete money. Where be Naga? Give me a gum. Complete money. It's all okay, man. Give me my money.
I'm a I'll pull your teeth too. I used to beat you when we were small. You remember? Know how I used to beat you when is it because you ate and grow big and I grow I will beat you as usual.
Give me my money. Give me my money.
Engine that I'm whining. All the agonies ain't gonna come.
Give me my money.
Engine I'm not whining. This engine that I'm whining, if it lands on your head, what I'm losing.
Give me my money. Give me my money. Oh yeah, give me. What's that? Don't want the money. What's that?
God, I'm humiliated. Dad!
What is it? Why are you crying?
Oh, God. Dad, I've been humiliated. I've been insulted. I've been disgraced today by that idiot guy.
Wait. You dare not address your future husband as an idiot. Where are your manners?
I'm sorry, Dad.
What did he do to you?
Dad, can you imagine this? Oh my goodness, you can't believe this. He put a ring on top of his own shit and proposed to me with it.
Really?
Oh my goodness. Oh, I can't even imagine this. Oh God. Oh God.
Is it Igbo? I can't believe this. Imelda, you said you no longer want that man. Are you sure you are not cooking up stories against him?
Dad, you know me very well. Know your daughter very well. I don't lie, I don't tell lies. But if you think I'm telling lies, you can go ask him, okay? Go ask him. That I told you that this was a bad idea. I didn't want to go out with him in the first place, but you insisted. You forced me, now you've seen it. You've seen the insult, the disgrace, the humiliation. Oh my goodness. Me, Imelda, a Harvard graduate. Oh my goodness. Oh God, I can't take this. No! I can't take this.
Is this true or what? He cannot do such a thing to my daughter. My only daughter! Nothing is good about this afternoon. See, nothing is good about this afternoon. Yes, see, Matthias, your son, came to my house and took my daughter out. Only my daughter to come back crying. And I want to come to your house to ask your son, Matthias, what happened? What happened?
Nanyogoye, as you can see, I am not Matthias, and Matthias is not here with me. But I promise you one thing, as soon as I get home, I will deliver your message to him.
Ijama, do not pretend as if you don't know what happened. Do not pretend. Listen, Matthias came and took my daughter out and gave her a heap of shit. Igbo shit. Igbo shit and shishi. Hey! Hey!
Get one and go over a heap of shit. I don't understand.
That's what. Listen. Tell your son that I am not happy with him. Deliver this message to him. Deliver it to him.
Wait to Obi. Matthias is still your son. I'm going to work. Wait to Obi. I'm going to work. Matthias! Matthias! Matthias!
Why are you shouting my name?
Why do you choose to disgrace me in this village? Why? Why do you want to disgrace me to enough for the Mokunama? Huh? Mazoko, you met me on the way as I was coming back from the market. He said you proposed to her daughter with Ibonsi. Ibonsi, what you know was shit. Shit! Matthias!
And you just believed him. He jumped into conclusion without even hearing from me.
I jumped into conclusion without hearing from you. Now listen. Whatever thing you caused, you must carry it by yourself. I will not be there and I will never be a party to take part of it.
Hey. Where have you been?
Yeah? Zubby. No. Is it food? Which one is Zubby?
Oh, please. Don't even start. I mean, like, where are you coming from?
Okay. Is that what you mean by Zubby? Is that right? Where I'm coming from is that it's in rehearsal. We want to rehearse. It was, you can imagine, today's rehearsal was fantastic. I wish you were there. You would have danced with your one leg up. Where's Papa? Papa went out. How?
Oh, come on, brother. You're so funny. Don't be so bosh. I mean, like, he went out?
Okay. Oh, you mean he went out and I went in and we went ahead? I heard what happened to you today. I heard what happened today. I can imagine how your face looked when you touched that shit.
Oh God! Don't remind me of that incident. Oh God, it was so horrible. I feel like throwing up. It was the worst day of my life, worst sight ever. Oh my goodness! I've been in the shower since I came back. I've been trying to wash up the smell, the sight. I can't deal. Oh my goodness. Oh God.
Shower. Do we have shower in this house? And I didn't know. I thought we had one minute in a bucket. I thought we use bucket to pour a minute and one. So Papa have shower in this house and I didn't know. Eh?
Oh please. Oh God. Oh God. By the way, who told you about the incident? Oh my goodness! Don't tell me you have a hand in this. Like, you know about the incident? How do you...
See, let me tell you. In fact, you see that Matthias? By the time I finish with Matthias, my plans that I have on him, by the time I finish with Matthias, when his mother sees him, in fact, he will no longer look like Matthias. She'll be seeing him like Payamas. You know, I made a concrete, even before he came back, I've already arranged with my boys. The arrangement is solid. You understand? See, by the time I finish with him, Papa will no longer support your relationship with him. Honestly.
you're the best brother in the whole world. Give me a hug. You're the best brother in the whole world.
Of course,
I'm so proud of you. Thank you very much.
Sister, what about that our in-law, the one abroad, I hope he's keeping in touch.
Oh my God, he calls like every day. I just finished speaking with him a few minutes ago. Yeah.
I don't know, in course of your discussions with him, I don't know if because he promised me money, and I don't know if he said he's going to give me the money or not. Because as it is, I've promised my boys that this year, our first release, our first album is going to drop this year. We're just worried about piracy. Piracy, to avoid piracy. We are trying to write to Commissioner of Piracy so that they can be able to give us certificate of piracy, so that Onyobla pirate area, you understand? So that is what we are trying to. So I don't know. Did he tell you he's going to give me money so that this will come? But sister, hi! If you see our song, this song is very, very sweet. Oh. Hey! Even when we are singing the song, some of my boys was dancing. If you see the way they were dancing, hi! This song is very sweet. I'm sure if we release this song into the market, to even the last copy of the album, we don't see it. Because I get repata. Should I sing the song for you? Okay. The song is this is intro. By the time we go to the verse, you will jump up. And this is just introduction. Very nice.
Brother, you're so funny. Yeah? You don't need to worry yourself, okay? He's a big boy. Don't worry, very soon money will start rolling in. He's a big boy. He has like 3 companies over there, United States of America, okay? And when I talk about money, I don't mean like naira. I mean hard currency, dollars, okay? So I don't need to worry yourself.
All these things you said, the only thing I heard was more. But that was I didn't do because we were rapping. I was very important. It was sounding like one of our beats in our rehearsal. So I thought you were, hey.
What's up with that?
What's again? What's up with dad? But why is Papa walking like when I could Ibi? Papa is walking like when you Ibi.
What's that?
Ibi means bag of money. Where you go? That is Ibi.
Maybe he's not in a good mood or something. Maybe someone annoyed him or something.
No, my size, but I only can provide you 52.
It's first play, baby.
Now from now, I know be anything again. I be taking stream daddy, man. I go use this thing, shop them for this village to the mother, father. Ah, one day you taking also. Slim daddy. I'm back, man. Fuck that bitch. See, babe, so. Shit.
Not really. I will invite you to Mazi Okafor house.
Mazi Okafor. The pan wine, I know him. I will come personally. I'll come and see you. Hey! We'll come.
You know what? When you come there, I have a lot of goodies for you. Tiwa Savage, P-Square, Osadebendate, all of them, they gave me goodies to give to my people, you understand? And I have to take what they call selfie. Say selfie. Not selfie. Like this, no, not fish. Oh, Abatagomo Bodo myself. Selfie is like a picture, like.
Can we hold you?
No problem.
Allah,
oh, man.
Hey!
This is Slim Daddy #1, official taking off.
Slim Daddy,
yeah,
1.
Hey! No.
Father, I love you.
Baby,
All right,
Sakino! I must go. Baby on fire. Hey! Baby on fire. Hey! Baby on fire. Baby on fire.
Baby, listen to me. Someone somewhere is trying to ruin our relationship. I can't possibly propose to you with such a thing. Please. I'm innocent. Forgive me.
Well, it's